Okay, 2D drafting class. This is your teacher here, Mr. Rockenbach. I want to get started, and we're going to get you guys into the program that we're going to utilize for the next 12 weeks in this first trimester of the 2020-21 school year. We covered this in our syllabus day and our syllabus quiz, but let me reiterate. I'm going to read a little bit here just on what drafting is. So when you see 2D drafting on your schedule, I want to give you guys the outline of what it is. So drawing is still the most common way to communicate design. The process is called technical drawing or drafting. And while computers have made tools such as parallel bars and T-squares outdated, and principles will remain the same. This course explores the essential drafting techniques, both analog and digital methods. In this course, students will utilize Autodesk AutoCAD web application program from their Google Chromebooks online. In order to create detailed drawings with a focus on precision and scale, students will learn common components of technical drawings and find out how to create accurate and measured lines, shapes, and forms. Students will then discover how to create specialized isometric and multi-view drawings and add valuable details such as sections, symbols, and scales that will help them communicate design. Just like I told you on our first day of class or second day of class that detailed drawings or technical drawings or drafting communicates design, especially to people in the trades industry. So for instance, if I'm working in a machine shop and I'm running a lathe, I may utilize a technical drawing to complete a part for a machine. If I'm working on a job site and I'm building a concrete foundation, I'll definitely have a plan or blueprint and so on and so on. First off today, I want to launch us into the Autodesk AutoCAD web application program. So AutoCAD stands for Automatic Computer Aided Design. And like I said, we may be doing some analog or drafting by hand this quarter, but with our current constraints that are placed on our learning environment, I would like to launch us into the online version first and the computer aided version first. So without further ado, I want to go over to our AutoCAD sign in, and I want to get you guys accounts on the Autodesk website, which will let us access our AutoCAD program. So first off, I'm just going to go to Google. You can follow my screen here, and you can keep watching me on the little video screen. But as you follow me here, we're going to go to Google, and we're going to type in Autodesk AutoCAD web application. And click enter, and it looks like the first one that comes up is right here. Click on that, and we can click work in AutoCAD anytime, anywhere. This is the free version, so I want to click on sign in now. And I think we're going to go over here to create free account because I want you guys to see the process of creating the free account. So I'm going to click on that. And just for the sake of you guys being able to see what I'm doing and you guys can follow along and create your own accounts, I've already created an account. So when I sign in, it's going to sign me into mine and it's going to skip this step. But I want you guys to see this step. So I'm going to create an account for my wife, and she's not going to mind. I'll let her practice with this later. So I'm going to type her first name and her last name and her email. You guys can put your SelaSchools.org email in here. And I can confirm her email. And the password for her I'm going to make up. You have to agree to their terms, and you can create an account. Okay, verification required. Check your inbox and follow the link in the email to verify your account for CarolynRockenbach@gmail.com. Okay. I am going to pause the video for a second. Okay, after you guys verify your account with the email account that you used, you should be able to push continue and your screen should look like this. Now, when you get to this screen, I think what we can do is we could close the Autodesk account over here, come back and click sign in. And you should be able to get to the drawing space that looks, or the Autodesk AutoCAD web application homepage that looks like this. Hopefully everyone can get to this stage here. That's all I have for video number 1. And this is the goal for the video, to get to this stage. If you can't get to this stage, please let me know and we will go from there.